If your US visa has been rejected before, please do not worry. I know you're probably in a confused situation. You are in a complete panic mood. Please, it is normal for rejection to happen. I know you are probably confused on how to move forward. You do not know what to do and how to go about the situation. That is why I am here. I am here to share with you few tips on how you can move ahead after a visa rejection. And of course, to rewrite those wrongs that must have caused the visa to be rejected. Welcome to my channel. My name is Patty. If you are joining in new here, welcome to my ISO where I share videos on travel vlogs, my lifestyle and business. Rejection is normal and I feel your pain because I have been there before. So I am going to be sharing with you tips on how you can ameliorate this situation. First of all, I know you ask yourself so many questions. Why was my visa rejected? I presented all the documents needed. I put everything together, but yet my visa was rejected. Please, you are not the only one. You are not alone. And in this juncture in life, you do not give up. You will fall 77 times, but of course, you will probably get up. So giving up in life, it is not an option. So please stick as I share a lot about this topic on this channel. And please, as you do watch, do not forget to subscribe and also share this video with your family and friends. What is visa refusal? As per the US Immigration and Visa Law Guidelines, a visa must be denied if the applicant cannot establish his or her eligibility, either because the application does not meet the requirements of an established visa category or because there are grounds for ineligibility based on other aspects of their visa case. Immediately after a visa refusal, some applicants might want to appeal. Unfortunately, remember we are focusing on B1, B2 visa category. Unfortunately, you cannot appeal for B1, B2 visa category. And again, some applicants might assume that immediately after a visa refusal, it's a matter of bringing in so much document and presenting it on their next appointment at the embassy. Unfortunately, that might not be the case. What do you need to do after your visa denial? The first thing you need to do after visa denial is to evaluate the reason for the visa denial. You need to evaluate what went wrong. You need to see the problem. What was the problem from the onset? Is it proof of ties? For instance, there is not enough evidence to show that you're visiting the United States, you're going to be going back to your home country? Or is it lack of funds? Did you or your sponsor have enough money upon your application? Or upon your interview, you were being asked travel history. Do you have a travel history? And you do not have a travel history? Or again, is it because of misinformation or incomplete information on the DS-160 form? Or is it because of poor interview performance? During your interview, you panicked a lot. Now, when you evaluate the problem, now you move to stage 2, which is how to prepare to reapply for your visa. The first thing is you have to reapply again. You have to rewrite the wrongs. You do not want to go in front of the visa officer and you are presenting the same document or the same thing you brought in your previous interview. There should be a change. There should be a change in your application. That is where you need to prepare very well before you go in for your interview. And the good preparation starts with the DS-160 form. If you made a mistake or you had some misinformation on the DS-160 form, make sure you correct all of those mistakes. That's the first thing. And second thing, you need to prepare your documents. If you do not have enough proof of ties, there should be enough proof to show that you will go back to your home country. And if maybe you were rejected because of lack of money, make sure at least you have something in your bank account that shows that you can take care of yourself while you are visiting the United States. And remember to prepare so well on this particular question. They're going to ask you this question: why was your visa rejected the last time? You need to be well prepared to answer them. And please note, your chances of visa denial increases when you've had multiple rejections. So you don't want to find yourself in that spot. And the next point is, after you've ascertained all of this and you've prepared yourself and you are ready to go in for your second reapplication, making sure you must have well prepared and all of that. Now, there is this question: how soon should you apply? Should you wait 6 months? Should you wait 3 months? Is there any time frame that you need to wait for you to apply? There is no time restriction on resubmission of your visa application. But if you have additional information on your supporting document and you've seen that everything is well packaged and you are ready to go, you have all the available documentation and you have all the evidence, you have all the information that you didn't have in your previous application, then you are good to go. That means you are well prepared and ready to resubmit your visa interview. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope this information helps someone out there, and I hope you do not make these mistakes. If you haven't watched my video on top 10 reasons why your visa get rejected, please do watch that video so you don't find yourself watching this video. I wish you all the best in your applications. I wish you all success. Thank you so much. This brings an end to this video. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one. Ciao.